Hey everyone, we are jumping on to do a quick little Sunday wrap up. Did you see our items in the kitchen with David? I'm trying to be a little quieter because the live show is right over there, but I wanted to, because we have lost some of the patterns and colors, I wanted to just give you a quick sneak peek. I wanted to walk you through the lid on one of our pieces, and then did you see our brand new oven mitts? So excited! We brought them back, but we brought them back bigger and better. And we brought them back in, of course, our classics, which we call basic. And then we have David singing, by the way. And then we have, hey, everybody. Hi, Mary. Hey, Lisa Lasort's in the house. Hi, Matthew Angelo. I'm trying to be quiet, which is never an easy feat, by the way. I'm walking because I want to show you these amazing oven mitts. We brought them back, as I was saying, in our basic. We brought them back in our brights. And what else did we do? And, of course, we brought them back in seasonal. So just a quick peek. I'm going to turn it around and kind of walk you through everything. This was the original size mitt that you've been keeping. Actually, that's our large one. I'm like, wait, they look the same size. Okay, let's go. So we have some of our what we call our basics, our green, our red, our black. Look how fun these are. Love. This is the smaller mitt. Now you can see it in relation to the larger mitt. You can see there with the green. All of them have the individual gift boxes. I love that we kind of already tore this down. There are all your seasonal. 4 great gifts, your shamrock, your romance, your patriotic, and then your egg hunt. Oh yeah, silicone front and back, which is fantastic. So we love the non-slip grip. They're that terry cloth in the inside, which we know you love, and then that knit material on the outside. So if you didn't see those today, don't wait. You're gonna wanna run because you love them and you've been waiting for us to bring them back. So we supersized them and we brought them back. And I think what Stacy said, with shipping, it's less than $9 a gift. So that's awesome. Someone was saying how cute it would be to include a recipe card with that as well if you were thinking about gifting it, because who doesn't need oven mitts? Okay, and then we shared with you today our what we call our seal the meal or our mug meals. I'm gonna turn this around. Take a peek at this. So 3 22-ounce, what we love to call our soup mugs. And here's what we love. It has an airtight, watertight lid. In reading some of your comments and reviews, you're confused by the lid. So I tried to spend a lot of time on it. I know it's a new concept for us, but we like to say here, hashtag pop the top. Once you pop the top, that actually allows the air in and makes it easy for you, which is not easy to do with one hand, to take that lid off. So bear with me. Let me just do this real quick. Whoop. Okay. So when I do that, when I pop that top, it then releases that airtight seal. When I push the lid back down, once I pop that, it is now airtight and watertight, and you're not going to be able to get that lid off. But if you do not pop that, which I think is part of the problem, you're not going to be able to get the lid off. Once you pop, you're good. When you're microwaving, pop the top so that you can let that air escape and you're not going to get splatter everywhere. Okay, so there's the science project, but I just wanted you to understand because these are so amazing, you guys, when you get them home. So there is what we call our holiday. They have those adorable patterns on the inside, from the Christmas tree to Santa by the fireplace to, of course, Santa baking cookies. Oh, hello. Hello, hello. Supersize, I'm going to need these mitts. I'm telling you, they're amazing. They are amazing, amazing mitts. And that was a huge feedback from all of you to make them bigger. Then we have what we call our Whimsy collection. That has our candy canes, that has our reindeer games, and that has our adorable characters. We have the gingerbread. We have the penguin. We have the reindeer. Hello, Wimbley. How are you? How are you? And then we have, of course, our snowman. So those are adorable. Look at the cute little gift boxes. Already bow and go. Less than $10 a gift. Free shipping and handling ends today. So if you have your eyes on these, it doesn't get any better than this. It's on 6 easy payments and free shipping. The polka dots, I think we're down to like 400 left. We have no more coming in this year. And the classic has sold out. So that's what I was just looking at inside. So we lost the classic. We have about 400 left. And then we have a few more of the holiday choices. But as I mentioned, free shipping and handling and the easy pay goes away at the end of the day. At least that's what Mr. V said. So here we have, of course, our Christmas cakes. We showed you a chili where we baked the cornbread in there and then hollowed it out. This was Lisa's adorable idea. This recipe for the pumpkin cake is on Temp-tations.com. So you can go check out some of our recipes and our recipe page. Then, of course, we have the individual pumpkin pie, 22 ounces, because who doesn't want that? I do. Amazing. Can I just say a shout out to Zev? So I have to say to you that we are being viewed right now in Israel. Zev was actually our amazing tour guide and became a member of the family because we spent so much time together when Ed and I and Mark Charles and my mom and her friend Pat and Mark all went to Israel together. I think it was in 2018, April in 2018. So Zev, hey, how are you? Hopefully things are all good by you. So nice of you to jump on. Okay, so let's just get back. That was a little public service announcement. Look where we did these 3 adorable little gifts. I love those where you have everything wrapped up. So we are getting down to our final quantities, which is why I really wanted to jump on. We have nothing else coming in this year. So we have your holiday, we have your whimsy, we have about 400 left in your polka dot. Remember, you're getting all 3 free shipping and handling. Ends on the sealed meals, ends at the end of today, or so we're being told. And the classic has sold out. So we still have the classic available in our new supersized mitts, and some of the other pieces you can go check out on QVC.com. So we are super duper excited. So thank you to everyone who jumped on. It's always so awesome to spend time with all of you and to share and show you all the new fun things we have planned and in store. Mugs. Lisa, what are you talking about? I have no idea what she's talking about. You guys are definitely going to want to stay tuned because November is shaping up to be even more exciting than October. Okay, well, that is it for now. I will be checking in with you from time to time. And have a great Sunday. Enjoy your family. Enjoy whatever you're doing. Enjoy your downtime. And we'll be back soon. Bye.